We're setting sail on an epic adventure to explore the world of narratives and how to analyze them. And guess what? We're using the legendary tale of Beowulf to guide us. So grab your swords and shields and let's get started. Analyzing a narrative is like being a detective on a treasure hunt. You're looking for clues that reveal the deeper meaning, structure, and artistry of a story. But how do we do it? Let's break it down. First, meet the characters. In Beowulf, our hero, Beowulf himself, embodies courage and loyalty, while the monstrous Grendel represents pure evil. Now, there are other characters worth mentioning, but these are the two that we meet at the very beginning. And as you read a narrative, ask yourself questions like, what are the characters like? What motivates them? And how do they change throughout the story? Next, unravel the plot. Beowulf is an action-packed saga with battles against Grendel, Grendel's mother, and even a ferocious dragon. Yet, the plot is more complex than the mere fighting of monsters. There's seduction and politics, all the makings of a great story. So when you read a narrative like Beowulf, look for the key events, conflicts, and how they're resolved. Also identify the introduction, climax, and conclusion to understand the story's structure. Now let's explore the setting. Beowulf takes us to the dark halls of the Danes and the perilous waters of ancient Scandinavia. Ask yourself, where and when does the story take place? And how does the setting influence the story? Finally, identify the themes. Beowulf explores timeless themes like heroism, fate, and good versus evil. Think about what the story is really about, what the author is trying to tell you. What are these messages or lessons that are hiding beneath the surface? And there you have it. Characters, plot, setting, and themes. These are the keys to unlock the treasure of any narrative, not just Beowulf. So go on, explore, go into the stories that you love, reread them, and discover the hidden gems within. And if you enjoyed this short literary adventure, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting explorations. Leave a comment below with your favorite tale, and maybe we'll explore it together next time. Until then, happy reading, and may your story quests be ever thrilling.